Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to set up Google credentials in N8N. First, go to the N8N website and make sure you log in. Now, click on the plus icon from the top right corner to add a new note. Then, search for Google in the search bar. Here, you'll see many Google services like Google Ads, Google Chat, Google Docs, Google Books, and more. Now, click on Google Chat and continue. Next, from the Actions section, select Get a Member. Then, click on Select Credentials and tap on Create New Credential. Here, enter your client ID and client secret provided by your Google developer account. Then, click on Save. Now, go back and select the resource such as Member, Message, Space, or Custom API Call. After that, choose the operation, for example, Get Many, or Custom API Call. Now, enter the required member ID. Then, go back to your workflow and check if the credential is connected successfully. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.